Yeah, welcome to it, Benis, right here on YouTube. My name is Benis. You can call me Nice, and you can call me Ira as well. As usual, on this channel, we conduct interviews and we discuss science, technology, innovations, and talents. So today we are going to talk about the MTN eSIM. The MTN eSIM has come, and I believe it has come to stay. When we say an eSIM is an embedded SIM which comes with a phone from the manufacturing stage. It can be embedded in a phone, a wristband, or a tablet. So MTN brought out a news that they are rolling out their eSIMs, and people are asking questions about it. So I'm here to answer all your questions for you. So the first thing is, how will you know if your phone supports an eSIM? To know that, you will go to your phone. On your phone, you go to where we dial numbers and you dial *#06#. The moment you dial *#06#, two codes will come. One is an EID code and one is IMEI. EID means electronic identity number or electronic ID. And the IMEI means International Mobile Equipment Identity. Okay, so these two codes will come on your phone. So if you get an EID code plus the IMEI, that means your phone supports the eSIM. So we take it from there. After that, you move to the MTN app. You download the My MTN app. You go there, you see 3 bars up there. When the 3 bars are being tapped on, a menu will appear. On the menu, you will see eSIM. In the menu, you tap on the eSIM. They will say, type your customer phone number. So the number that you want them to use as your eSIM, you type that number in there, as you can see on your screen. So they will send an OTP to you. That is a one-time password to you. It will come via SMS. So you go and check your SMS and you dial the numbers that you saw in there. So after typing in your one-time password, you tap on verify OTP. After tapping on verify OTP, a request entry form will come. In the entry form, we have the eSIM request, and it states customer name. So the customer name, in the customer name section, you type in your full name. Then they said alternative phone number. So let's say another phone number, let's say the way when you're going to open a bank account, they will say next of kin or something. You just use an alternative phone number, another phone number aside the one that you are using for the eSIM. So my own, I use the Vodafone number and I typed it in. The email address, the next one is the email address, and it is required. So in the entry form, wherever you see a red star at the tip of the request, that means it is required. So customer name is required. The alternative phone number is not required. You type in your email address. The next one is SIM plan. In the SIM plan, I selected prepaid, even though I didn't know what it meant, but I selected prepaid. And then the next one is the device brand. So if you are using Techno, I guess you would type in Techno. I'm using Apple, so I typed in iPhone. If you are using, let's say, Samsung, I think you type in Samsung. The next one is upload a portrait picture. So a portrait picture, when you say a portrait picture, it's not like the portrait that we say portrait, which the background is blur or something. It means that if you are using, let's say if you are using this phone to take the picture you are coming to upload, the phone should be placed like this. So when they say a portrait, upload a portrait picture, it means the picture that was taken like this, not like this. If you upload a picture that was taken like this, it means the picture is in landscape mode, not portrait mode. So any picture that you are supposed to put there or you are supposed to fix there is supposed to be a picture that was taken in this format. The phone was placed like this to take the picture. So you have 3 options. You either select the picture from your photo library, or you take the picture there and then, or you choose from your files. That is for Apple. I don't know of other brands too. The next one is upload a picture of your national ID card. That is a Ghana card or a foreign passport for foreigners. So if you are a foreigner, you upload a picture of your passport. But if you're a Ghanaian, you upload a picture of your Ghana card. After that, you click on submit request. After clicking on submit request, you get an SMS message saying that your request has been submitted successfully, and they will give you your ticket number, and they will say you have to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours before you get it. But I've seen that people are crying on Twitter that they requested for it 1 week or something and they are still not getting it. They don't know why. I guess maybe there is an issue or something, but MTN, they have to communicate to the people what is happening and why people are getting this and people are also not getting this. So there were some few questions that people asked. Someone asked a question and the person said, can I activate my MTN eSIM whilst I'm living outside Ghana? The answer is yes. If and only if you got the EID and the IMEI code, and that means your phone is compatible. That means yes, you can do it whilst you are outside Ghana. And MTN it's making the offer free for the first 100k subscribers.